This is the brief on the healing power of turmeric. So, it's actually far more than just a kitchen spice. It's a powerful biological tool that actively targets your gut brain connection to literally heal and balance your body. First, to truly get how this works, we've got to look past the surface and right into our biology. How exactly does a root in your pantry communicate with your brain? Well, think of turmeric as a direct messenger, cruising down the superhighway between your stomach and your mind, crossing the gut barrier to send soothing signals right up to your nervous system. Second, why does this gut-brain highway actually matter? It's all about reducing systemic inflammation, which is the exact mechanism needed to settle an overactive nervous system. Now, you're probably wondering, is systemic inflammation really what's frying our nerves? Yeah, absolutely. Internal inflammation is kind of like blaring static on a radio, and turmeric turns that dial right back to a clear, quiet station. Finally, to actually get these calming benefits, we have to move from theory into physical action. So we can't just sprinkle this haphazardly on our dinner? No way. Unlocking its true power requires really intentional strategic preparation, so the root becomes biologically active, rather than just acting as some casual garnish. Ultimately, by understanding this biology and committing to intentional preparation, you can use turmeric to effectively reduce inflammation and quiet your nervous system. It isn't just about seasoning your food, it's about strategically engineering your own calm.